Please take your seats. The program is about to begin.
Every day, in every corner of the world, another amazing opportunity presents itself. To seize a moment, to change a life, to change the world. And at LG, we're just happy to play some small part in that. The first step? Believing. It's all possible.
I'm pleased to welcome you to CES 2014 in my new role as LG's Global Head of Sales and Marketing. As the former CEO of US operations for LG, I'm looking forward to continuing to build the LG brand in North America and around the world. Rapid technological changes and market dynamics present our industry with unprecedented challenges and opportunities. At LG, we embrace changes. LG has one of the broadest product portfolios of any global company. And we are committed to providing the best in customer value, giving them a strong reason to feel inspired, empowered, and to smile. Life can be richer and more enjoyable when customers are given the opportunity to discover new possibilities through their experiences with LG products. This customer-centric philosophy is the foundation of our updated brand strategy and the theme to communicate this idea. With LG, it's all possible. And the concept of SMART, which is embodied in most of our products in 2014, is tightly woven into the fabric of our brand. Customers told us they wanted the benefits of smart technology without the complexity. Smart and simple. We've incorporated this key core value in all the products and innovations we'll be showing you today, from Home Chat to G-Flex and to WebOS. I think you will like what you see. This year, more than ever, customers will find value in LG innovations that enhance their lives, delivering on our Life's Good brand vision. This philosophy will be evident in all aspects of our business, and it will be reflected in the way we communicate with our customers. With LG, it's all possible.
Good morning, CES. As we do every year, we're happy to be the first to welcome you to CES Press Day. Thank you for joining us in this early hour here in Las Vegas, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We have some familiar faces up here and some new ones to show you how in 2014 with LG, it's all possible. We only have 45 minutes and a lot to cover, so without further ado, it's my pleasure to introduce the incoming President and CEO of LG Electronics USA, Mr. William Cho.
Good morning, everyone. I'm happy to be back home in the USA here at CES. After 8 years of leading LG's Canadian and Australian operations, and most recently, the global residential air conditioning business. I'm especially excited to lead our team in one of the world's most important markets for LG, a market where all of our businesses are strong performers. In fact, since the LG brand was introduced to the US in a big way at CES 2004, our growth of the past decade has been phenomenal. Today, I'm proud to announce that LG gained market share in the US during 2013 in each of our key categories, from LED TVs to French door refrigerators, from front-end top-load washers to smartphones. This achievement in such a competitive market speaks volume about our momentum coming into 2014. And for the second year running, we are proud that LG was named Energy Star Partner of the Year. Overall, 2013 was a great year for LG Electronics USA. As a new guy, I can't take any credit, but it was a great year, and it sets the stage for what I expect will also be a great 2014. My goal moving forward is to continue growth in all our key categories. In 2014, more than ever before, we will lean on our innovative spirit, consumer research, and strategic partnerships to show consumers that with LG, it's all possible. Globally, we have some of the most creative minds in the industry pioneering consumer-centric innovations to improve existing products and create new categories. With unmatched skill from our Silicon Valley lab developing next-generation smart TV platforms and insight from our US-based appliance R&D center in Chicagoland, we will ensure that new products and features are tailored to meet the needs of US consumers. And our partnerships will provide even more added value. You will hear from some of them very soon. So for now, I will just remind you that with LG, it's all possible. Thanks for joining us today and have a great show. Thank you.
Our keynote speaker today is another familiar face. Some of you knew him when he was the global president of LG Mobile Communications. He's been LG's president and chief technology officer for 3 years. Today he oversees LG's 20,000 engineers around the world and drives our company's innovation strategies that are the foundation of our brand identity. Please join me in welcoming LG Electronics President and CTO, Dr. Scott Ahn.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you all have a great new year. As Mr. Zhou told you, our theme for this year is with LG, all possible. We believe that people want to experience more possibilities in their lives. So we are endlessly exploring, pioneering, and realizing those possibilities by coming up with innovations that really makes difference. And as a result, this year I am once again proudly standing here again to share with you some of key LG innovations. The first innovation is almost a historical change. We are introducing the easiest and most pleasant collaboration between human and everything. As you know, things around us are getting smarter and smarter, but a new problem is emerging at the same time. We have to install individual apps for each and every single smart things around us. And we also have to work through complicated steps to learn more than a simple function. Is this smart? What if you can just tell your things what to do using your favorite mobile messengers? Let's take a look. LG Home Chat gives you a remarkable experience of simply talking to your appliance things around you. This is enabled by natural language processing technology and integrated messaging service. No longer do you need all those apps and all those complicated steps. To start, we established a comprehensive partnership with Line, one of the world's leading mobile messenger with over 300 million users. Furthermore, we are working hard to expand Home Chat to other mobile messengers. It will work with almost everything in the near future, making LG Home Chat the most important Internet of Things service platform in the world. This is just a small start to completely change the environment around consumers. Let's move on. Many companies have been showcasing flexible technologies for a long time. And as we may all know, LG is the first company to clearly show the world what is really possible with flexible technology. A curved screen on the G Flex allows you to get more immersive video viewing experience anywhere, anytime. The ergonomic curve fits the natural shape of your face to improve voice call quality. LG G Flex is the true example of how flexible technology can benefit your lives, and we plan to continue learning from you. And now I'm going to provide some details about the topic for which you might have some questions. I'm going to talk about what we have achieved using WebOS. WebOS is an operating system that was optimized for the web since its inception. We believe in the possibility of WebOS and in its ability to provide simplest and the most intuitive user experience. We took these possibilities and applied them first to TVs. And as a result, we have revolutionized how you experience smart TVs. We have learned that 160 million smart TVs are out there, and most people think smart TVs are too much complicated. With WebOS, LG has simplified the TV experience again. We've simplified the way you connect your TV, the way you switch between content and input, and the way you discover new content and services. Here's what I'm talking about. WebOS made it possible for us to really simplify and improve user experience. Now, let's talk about content. The success of LG TV has always been built on the combination of great product and great partnerships. One of our landmark partnerships is with Netflix, and it dates back to CES 2008, when LG was the first company to bring the Netflix service to consumer devices. Today, 6 years later, I'm pleased to once again share the stage with Netflix as we announce a quantum leap forward in smart TV. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Reed Hastings, the CEO of Netflix.
The heritage of innovation is not shared by everybody. But at LG, I want to tell you how impressed we are. Netflix 5 years ago worked extremely hard with LG to put the first Netflix streaming client in a Blu-ray player. That Blu-ray player could play Netflix Blu-ray discs and stream over the internet. We thought it was the most amazing thing we had seen in years. We were so excited we would demo this for the senior LG management, and they said, it's nice, but it's not enough until it's in the TV. And at that time, it's only 5 years ago, we felt like, in the TV, how can that happen? There's no Wi-Fi. They said, it's coming. The world's moving to smart TVs. And since then, we've been on an adventure with LG to create the best possible experiences on the television directly. Then 3 years ago, LG broke new ground with the Magic Remote. This idea that there's a pointer on the web that you could point and choose and make it that easy on the television was amazing. And now with the acquisition of WebOS and the integration to have a native web operating system and a pointer, it's allowing amazing new types of user interface and experiences that are simpler, more native, and cleaner. And all of that we're very excited to participate in. Now, it's not enough that the TV is smart. It's also amazing that it's got 4K Ultra HD native in it with HEVC. And with the new televisions coming this year, Netflix is proud to be able to stream in real time shows, those little shows, what was it? House of Cards, that show. Fantastic, incredible show coming out, and it's been filmed in 4K, mastered and edited in 4K, and will be one of the first major television shows available in 4K, and that will work this year. And so people who invest in LG TVs, the new LG TVs will be able to watch 4K television from Netflix with a great user interface on WebOS, and it's just amazing set of progress. So we're so thankful for the partnership, and thank you for having us here today.
Thank you, Reed.
Thank you.
Thank you very much again. I'm sure you are all excited to see 4K contents from Netflix streamed right to your home on LG Ultra HD Smart TV. And I would have to humbly agree with Reed that Smart TV with WebOS is truly a modern Smart TV should be. We are cooperating with all of our content partners to ensure that our customers have access to all the contents they want when they want it. LG has made significant advance in TV with the WebOS, but our job is not finished. We plan to continue to improve TV experience and also extend what we have achieved to other devices in the future. Well, today, I shared with you some of LG's greatest innovation: Home Chat, G Flex, and smart TVs powered by WebOS. These innovations and everything LG is introducing this year will dramatically change the lives of consumers. And I know we are just getting started. Once again, with LG, it's all possible. Thank you.
Well, we certainly knew Ultra HD TV would be a big trend here again at CES 2014. Now for more on Ultra HD and all of LG's new home entertainment products, we've lined up LG's U.S. Head of New Product Development, Mr. Tim Alessi. He has more than 3 decades of experience in the industry, and he's back for another CES with LG. Tim Alessi.
Thank you, John. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Boy, that's a pretty tough act to follow. But I think you'll be excited about the news I have to share with you as well. All right, today's January 6th. How many of you have already broken your New Year's resolution to exercise more? Well, if you haven't, LG has a few new devices to help you, motivate you, and to track your progress. Wearable technology has been predicted to be a major trend at the show this year. We're happy to get the ball rolling by introducing our new LifeBand Touch fitness activity monitor and heart rate earphones. The LG LifeBand Touch is an activity tracking wristband designed to monitor and collect fitness data during exercise or just during everyday life. Now, unlike other products in this category, the band has a touch-enabled OLED display that allows you to check all of your exercise data in real time, rather than syncing and logging into an app. You can easily toggle from data point to data point with just a swipe of your finger. The LifeBand Touch is also Bluetooth enabled, so it can transmit data to LG's corresponding smartphone app. It works great with new LG devices like the G2 and G Flex, or most other Android and iPhones, to allow users to keep a running log of their activity. This connectivity also allows the LifeBand Touch to display alerts for incoming phone calls and text messages. You can also control music. LG's developed partnerships with the most popular fitness apps, including MyFitnessPal and Runkeeper, just to name a few. I've always wondered how many miles I walk during the course of a CES week, and this year I'm going to find out. I'm actually a little frightened by it, to tell you the truth. Now, another wearable fitness product we're debuting here at CES is our heart rate earphone. Sensors in the earphones track heart rate while you're listening to music and can also provide audible updates on the heart rate and the progress of your workout. When used in conjunction with the LifeBand Touch, it will also display heart rate information right on the OLED display. Both the LifeBand Touch and heart rate earphone are being launched in the United States this spring. Beyond wearable technology, LG is bringing its PC chops to the US market this year as well. We'll be releasing our first all-in-one solution, the LG Chromebase, a 22-inch class unit that incorporates full HD resolution, and Google's operating system, which gives consumers access to Gmail, Maps, YouTube, and much more. We also plan to introduce this in the US during the first quarter. In terms of more traditional LG products, we're expanding into 2 new media categories this year, SoundPlate and multi-room speakers. Just last month, we introduced our first SoundPlate model. With a sleek base-type design, it can support the weight of up to a 55-inch TV and provides powerful sound to the tune of 120 watts with built-in subwoofers. Bluetooth allows users to stream music from smartphone or tablets and can also wirelessly connect to many LG TVs. This year, we're introducing a step-up SoundPlate that will also integrate a 3D Blu-ray player and access to LG's Smart TV platform, making it an all-in-one home entertainment solution. Now, the way we consume music has also drastically changed in recent years. People are streaming music from a variety of sources and expect access to it wherever and whenever they want it, which is why LG is introducing 2 new wireless multi-room speaker systems, a 70-watt speaker and a smaller 40-watt unit. Both use built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to allow users to play back music to 1 or more speakers streamed over a mesh network, directly from smartphones, tablets, PCs, as well as popular online music sources. It's the ultimate in control and flexibility, all operated from LG's easy-to-use smartphone app. LG's new audio lineup also extends to a few familiar home entertainment categories as well. With consumers focused on simple audio solutions, soundbars have really taken off in recent years. For 2014, we're planning to introduce 2 new models into the US. Both are 4.1 320-watt solutions with wireless subwoofers and Bluetooth streaming. One is a successor to our soundbar with smart TV capabilities that was very successful this past year, and that includes numerous streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and many others. The NB5540 is a new model which is designed to match the modern slim bezel design of LG's new line of TVs. But don't be fooled by the slim profile. This is a powerful system that houses 4-channel audio, includes a hi-fi DAC, an analog Class D amp that will provide superior audio quality and a clean, natural sound. In Blu-ray, LG will be staying strong in the category with 3 new models. All feature some level of streaming content options, and the flagship will include a web browser, Ultra HD upscaling, as well as LG's popular Smart TV Magic Remote. Okay, you've been very patient as we've discussed wearable and media products. Now, on to the main event, the all-important television category. First, let me put the plasma fans at ease. LG will continue in the plasma category with a 2014 lineup consisting of 4 new series, 5 TVs overall. There'll be models ranging in size from 42 to 60 inches and will feature the great combination of value and picture quality that plasma aficionados love. LG's core LCD lineup will have 8 new LCD series, totaling 25 brand new TVs overall, ranging in size from 22 inches to 70 inches, all using LED lighting and sporting beautiful new designs that are up to 30% slimmer than in 2013. As in past years, they're all expected to be ENERGY STAR certified, with many of them ENERGY STAR Most Efficient designation. Now, I'm not going to reiterate everything already said about the exciting new WebOS Smart TV platform. You've already heard that we're totally committed to delivering consumers a modern TV experience. With that in mind, over half of the new models will feature the new WebOS interface. And one cool new LG Smart TV app that it's worth noting is Dish Network's Virtual Joey, an app that will allow Hopper DVR compatibility without an additional set-top box. You can learn a little bit more about this at Dish's press conference a little bit later this morning. I also want to point out that 2014 WebOS will continue to use the latest version of our famous Magic Remote. It's still the easiest way to navigate through the interface and includes voice command capability for changing channels, searching for content, and still provides universal set-top box control capability. In Ultra HD, LG will expand our leadership in the way Ultra HD will grow in 2014 with 6 new series and 12 total models ranging in size from 49 all the way up to 105-inch screen size. All new LG Ultra HD TVs will support the latest standards for connectivity, copy protection, and program encoding, preparing these units for the various UHD content delivery methods as they come to fruition, starting with Netflix streaming, as Reed Hastings highlighted earlier. We've also upgraded LG's true Ultra HD engine with a multi-step process that examines, re-examines, and adjusts the picture on standard content for an upscaled image that looks truly authentic, all instantly. Our LCD Ultra HD sets will use IPS panels for a wider viewing angle without compromising the quality of the image. In order to provide an enhanced audio experience to go along with the great picture quality, many models will include built-in dual subwoofers and total audio output of up to 150 watts. We worked with renowned audio brand Harman Kardon to ensure excellent audio performance. Finally, all of LG's Ultra HD TVs will feature the WebOS Smart TV platform, which is critical given that streaming from Netflix and perhaps others is likely to be the first wide-scale delivery method for Ultra HD content. Now, likely to be the most talked about sets announced at this CES are two models that have already been honored with CES 2014 Innovation Awards, one winning Best of Innovations in the video display category. These exciting introductions are our 105-inch Ultra HD curved LED TV and the 77-inch Ultra HD OLED TV that you see right here. The stunning and unquestionably immersive 105-inch TV features a 21:9 cinematic aspect ratio, a curved design, and the Harman Kardon audio system. A movie lover would be hard-pressed to find a more cinematic home entertainment experience anywhere else. Equally compelling is our 77-inch Ultra HD OLED TV, which is expected to hit the US market this June. And that's a perfect segue to the rest of the OLED TV lineup. CTO Anand touched on this earlier. LG is well positioned to dominate the OLED market in 2014 and beyond. You all know that LG's 55-inch curved OLED TV that debuted at CES this past January was the first to hit the US market over the summer. 2014 will see an expanded lineup with 4 new series, 5 OLED models overall, ranging from 55-inch to the 77-inch size that you see right here. All LG OLED TVs feature our proprietary WRGB technology for ultimate black level performance and a nearly infinite contrast ratio, as well as incredibly accurate color reproduction. And for those discerning customers demanding the best of both worlds, we're also going to add a 55 and 65-inch Ultra HD OLED screen sizes to go along with the 77-incher. Beyond picture performance, OLED TVs afford stunning aesthetic possibilities that no other TV technology has ever been able to achieve. Each curved TV will boast an impossibly slim depth at only a few millimeters and a nearly frameless design. But we're also planning a unique flat model called the LG Gallery OLED TV. It has all the functionality of a traditional full HD TV, but it's also meant to emulate art on the wall, achieved with a screensaver-like mode that displays famous paintings, iconic photographs, and even personal photos when it's not in use as a regular TV. The frame itself incorporates a powerful 100-watt speaker system for tremendous sound. This unique new product is expected to hit the US market this spring. With that, I've covered LG's major home entertainment intros for 2014. We hope you can see now how we think with LG, it's all possible. And we hope to see you this week at LG's booth, where you can get a first-hand look at each product. Thank you very much for your attendance.
We've made somewhat of a tradition out of debuting our latest appliance innovations at CES, and this year will be no different. Here to tell you about the exciting news coming from the appliance side of the LG house is the always entertaining David Vanderwall, an appliance industry veteran and LG mainstay for a half-dozen years. He's been LG's U.S. head of appliance brand marketing since early 2012. Dave Vanderwall.
Thank you, John. You know, busy families everywhere are looking for ways to maximize their time together and minimize their time doing chores, and LG gets that. Through innovation that enhances our consumers' lives, LG appliances are offering smart technologies, high performance, and a host of convenience features, all delivering on LG's brand promise, life's good. We design products based on what we know consumers want. That's what makes it all possible. How do we know what they want? Because we listen. We conduct a great deal of research to get in the minds of our target customer and gain perspective on all their household habits. For example, we conducted a recent survey revealing that over half of today's homeowners say their current appliances don't give them everything they want. And get this, only 12% are comfortable showing off their kitchen to visitors. Well, we're here to change all that. Let's start with smart appliances, something we've been hearing a lot more about the past year or so. LG is the industry leader in bringing smart appliance technology to today's consumer, and we're focused on continuing to drive its evolution. Our smart appliances now incorporate natural language processing technology, allowing users to instant message their appliances via LG's virtual assistant called HomeChat. HomeChat forms part of a broader vision behind LG Link, a single unified ecosystem which will allow devices from across LG's various businesses to interface with one another. And as CTO An mentioned earlier, the key here is the fact that there isn't a list of machine-specific commands that users need to learn in order to communicate. They just speak as they would naturally. For example, using HomeChat to communicate with the refrigerator, users can send a quick text to see what they need or don't need while they're in the grocery store. With our Smart Range, it can tell what ingredients are needed for a particular recipe when asking how to prepare a specific meal. And in the laundry room, we've improved on the smart washer and dryer to the point where you can actually text, "What are you doing?" to the washer and get an immediate update on the status of its current cycle. And with the LG Smart HomeBot, you can text the vacuum to find out its cleaning history, and you can now also automate cleaning schedules via HomeChat. But as cool as smart appliances are, I'd like to call attention to a couple other innovations and our plans for the continued evolution. As a longtime leader in the French door category, we've seen much success stemming from our door-and-door refrigerator, which consists of a compartment within one of the refrigerator doors, allowing easier access to everyday foods. You simply push a button on the door handle to access this innovative feature. Responding to the tremendous consumer demand and available immediately, we're expanding this technology across our entire refrigerator platform. A particularly noteworthy model is this one, featuring 2 freezer drawers, offering the ultimate in organization. The top freezer drawer can be used for commonly used items, while the bottom freezer drawer is a good option for larger items or long-term storage. Next up, our laundry innovations, where we're continuing to make great strides as the longtime leader in the laundry category. Our award-winning Turbo Wash technology allows for 20 minutes of time savings on each load, even larger loads. The exciting news in 2014 is that this core LG laundry technology will expand to even more front-load models. And in top-load laundry, LG put a modern spin, so to speak, on the traditional design. By moving the control panel from the back to the front, the buttons and the LED display are now easy to read and easy to use. This simple change makes for a more intuitive and functional design and also provides a look that is unlike anything you've ever seen in a washer. And this year, we look forward to bringing our front control top-load washer together with Turbo Wash, merging 2 key LG innovations in one impressive package. I also wanted to share exciting news about a new front-load dryer that now offers 2 ways of opening the door. You can either open the door to the side, as with traditional front-load dryers, or now you can open the door down from the top. And opening the door this way allows the door to stop midway with the partially opened door acting as a chute, making it easier than ever to drop in your laundry. Additionally, our latest dryers feature LG's energy-efficient eco-hybrid heat pump drying technology, which helps to reduce energy by cleverly recycling heat that's generated during the drying process. And lastly, in cooking appliances, one of our key innovations is Easy Clean, which cuts down oven cleaning time to just minutes instead of hours, like with the traditional self-clean cycle. It works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, you spray water to the interior walls of the oven. Step 2, you start the Easy Clean function to allow the oven to heat up. And step 3, after 20 quick minutes, the mess inside of the oven is simply wiped away. In 2014, we look forward to incorporating this technology across our entire range lineup, as well as our microwave ovens. So, as you can see, we're very proud of our global leadership in appliance innovations, and we are especially proud of LG Studio, our most premium appliance line. The Studio Collection was created with an uncompromising approach to both form and function and represents LG's finest expression of aesthetic and performance. Having received ENERGY STAR certification and many industry accolades, LG Studio Home Appliances reflects our ongoing commitment to excellence. And lastly, there's even more big news on the LG Studio front. And at this time, I'm pleased to introduce the President and CEO of LG Home Appliances, Mr. Sung-Jin Jo, who has an exciting announcement about LG Studio. Mr. Jo.
Thank you, Dave. Good morning, everyone. Today, we are very proud of our premium kitchen product, LG Studio, which is expanding here in the United States. With the LG Studio, consumers can create the high-end kitchen they have always wanted. A beautiful addition to any kitchen and a must-have for entertaining with style. LG Studio empowers customers to enjoy advanced innovation, to convey their perfect sense of style. I am pleased to announce an exclusive new partnership with top decorator and product design, Nate Buckers, who will help inspire the next wave of LG Studio innovation. Please welcome to the stage and to the LG team, Nate Buckers.
Thank you, Mr. Jo. Thank you, everyone, and everyone on the LG team. So here's a secret that I'd like to share with everyone today. I am an awful cook, truly awful. Can barely make myself a sandwich, but I do spend an enormous amount of time in my kitchen. So like everyone here, my kitchen is the heart of my home. It's where people land when they come over, it's where homework gets done, and it's where game night plays out. It's simply put, where most of our memories are made. That is why I am so proud to be partnering with LG Studio. It's my way of putting my stamp on those memories. Whether it's attempting a brand new recipe you've downloaded on the internet, preparing the favorite traditional family dish, or like me, having tons of friends over on a Friday night and just relaxing around the kitchen island. I love knowing that the decisions that I'll be making with LG will enhance the way that all of us live and laugh in our kitchens for years to come. We have tons of work ahead of us this coming year. I can't wait to get started, so thank you again, Mr. Jo. I am so pleased and so excited to have this opportunity to contribute to the future success of LG Studio. I look forward to working with all of you in 2014. Thank you.
Thank you.
Our final product presentation this morning is from a gentleman that some of you knew in his previous roles at LG Canada. Now he's a key player on LG's U.S. mobile phone brand marketing team. Here to throw us all a curve and to flex LG's smartphone muscle is Frank Lee.
Hello, everyone. Pop quiz. So you've heard throughout the entire presentation with LG. Oh, come on. One more time. With LG. Excellent. Thank you. You've all helped me now with my first half performance review, so we're good. There's nowhere more evident than in LG mobile devices where we see those possibilities. Being able to provide the best consumer mobile experience is behind every aspect of our product design. Innovation for innovation's sake doesn't work for consumers. We all know that. We're looking for products that offer tangible benefits. So it's not just cutting-edge technology, but it's for serving a higher purpose, making lives better. This philosophy drives our innovations and will continue to do so in our product lineup for 2014. LG's mobile phone business enters the new year with great confidence and enthusiasm, building on a landmark 2013. It's a year where LG reestablished itself as a mobile heavyweight through our flagship G series of hero devices. The rich heritage of the G Premium line, Optimus G, G Pro, Nexus 4 and 5, the G Pad 8.3, and of course, the stunning and unabridged success of LG G2 put LG at the head of the pack with our mobile devices that enhance the lives of consumers. Enter the LG G Flex, the world's first curved and flexible smartphone. This, the LG G Flex, is LG's most advanced smartphone yet. This is truly a game changer, and we're confident that enthusiasts and skeptics alike will begin to believe in LG's benefits when it comes to curved technology and LG's approach when it comes to the shape of innovation. We drew on the expertise of our sister companies, LG Display and LG Chem, and we combined a curved OLED display with a longer-lasting curved battery. And together, we created a stunning device that enhances the lives of consumers. You could see there's a theme going on here. Let me tell you a little bit about why curved is the shape of innovation for us. First, in order to build a curved smartphone that's functional, you need to build a curved battery. It goes without saying. The battery in the G Flex is the world's first curved battery, and designed with LG Chem's patented stack and folding technology that increases the capacity of the battery while reducing the physical size. Then we added a 6-inch high-definition OLED display with a real RGB stripe pixel structure. That's a mouthful. But in the end, what it does, it offers incredible image quality for that size of display. Now we covered sort of the basics of the phone. Let me share you why we at LG believe curved is better. As you've heard, we're really obsessed with understanding the quality of the user experience. So we didn't make G Flex just for the sake of being different. In fact, G Flex offers real, tangible benefits that allow consumers to hear better, to hold better, and to view better. First, LG G Flex offers an astounding voice and sound experience because of the distinctively curved shape that allows the audio to be improved because it follows the contour of your face. The benefits of the curve also extend over to the external speaker. When placed on a table, for example, the sound volume increases as it resonates off the surface. And secondly, it provides a better grip when holding and operating in one-handed, two-handed, in portrait or landscape orientation. And G Flex feels more comfortable when it's in your pocket because it does curve to the shape of your body. And finally, the curved OLED HD display provides a stunning, immersive viewing experience that's unmatched in the smartphone market today. Many consumers, as you know, watch hours of video, movies, and television shows each day. And the curved display of LG G Flex offers a cinematic experience similar to LG's leading industry OLED TVs. In short, the LG G Flex is the shape of innovation that allows you to hear better, hold better, and view better. Well, the new G Flex has already launched in several world markets, and today I am so proud to officially announce that yes, the LG G Flex will make its debut here in the United States in the first quarter of 2014. And I'm also pleased to announce that the G Flex will be available through 3 major US carriers: Sprint, AT&T, and T-Mobile. The LG G Flex exemplifies the kind of consumer-centric innovation you're going to see from LG in 2014. By ushering a new form factor that challenges the norms of smartphone design and functionality, LG is at the forefront of mobile design. Now, don't just take my word for it. A big fan of LG mobile phones, generally, and the LG G Flex specifically, the Vice President of Product Management and Logistics for Sprint, Mr. David Owens.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. We at Sprint are so pleased to partner with LG for the launch of the G Flex. And I can tell you that I have seen flexible displays for mobile devices in labs for 4 years. And the number one question we have every time is, when does it move out of the lab and into the consumer marketplace? And I'm so pleased to tell you that it's coming, and it's coming very quickly, and it's coming with Sprint and LG. It's also something that I've had the personal privilege to carry for the last couple of weeks. One of the perks of the job is to get to see these things early. And I've never had a device that I've carried early that I've had more people stop and ask me about as they see me using the device. And I will tell you, the curved design on your face really makes your experience fantastic. I would also tell you that the partnership between Sprint and LG has really been a long-standing partnership. That said, it really has kicked into another gear this holiday season. With the launch of the G2, the Nexus 5, LG was a big part of Sprint's launch of our new LTE technology called Sprint Spark. And Sprint Spark allows us to use our 800 spectrum, our 1900 spectrum, and our 2.5 spectrum all in a single device. The G Flex will be the third product that we have with LG that has all of our bands in Sprint Spark. So we believe we are very well positioned for a fantastic year with LG in 2014, and really look forward to the launch of G Flex. Thank you very much.
Wow, we crammed a lot into the last 45 minutes. Before we wrap up, if anyone is interested in some quick photo ops with Netflix CEO Reed Hastings, designer Nate Berkus, and Sprint executive David Owens, they'll all be available for a few minutes in the product showcase. We hope you found our little presentation both entertaining and useful this morning. Before we send you off into the madness of press day and the week ahead, we thought you might like a little taste of what you'll see in the LG booth. With LG, it's all possible. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy.